So hi again, I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of Amdicon Design. How you doing? Hope all well. This is video 2 by me today, on a Monday, as I'm doing some interesting work, on my computer. And there's this person who sent me these pictures of some properties which are available in one part of the world and stuff. So that brings me to this question. Is buying houses or properties shown to you online a great idea? What about people who are kind of buying houses and plans also online? Is that a good idea? Because I see all these pictures in the real estate section and marketplace of social media, and then you have these emails, and then you have all these calls coming in from companies who are every day, or they're collectively promoting and selling properties and stuff like that. So is it a good idea to buy house plans or houses online? So the answer is, what do you think? The answer obviously is no. First of all, you don't even know if the property exists or not. So there are so many cases, I'll tell you through my experience, that I've met people while playing golf that they've got looted. So there are these elderly people or youngsters who've kind of liked some properties because they're in this aspirational state of mind, or they basically want to invest in stuff. And you have people who are looking to buy as an old age idea or whatever and stuff, and they kind of fall into these online loops and stuff of receiving pictures and gorgeous women and men calling them up and stuff and all that, and then you kind of realize that you've paid half the money and maybe the money doesn't even exist, or I mean the property doesn't even exist, because this happens so many times that you get calls from smaller cities and stuff, and people are advising you, people are recommending you stuff like that, and you get excited about it and you do that. So then I think the most important thing is that first of all you got to have a ground check. Does the property really exist? And secondly, if you receive the plan and stuff like that, always involve an architect to talk about it, because there are so many features and there are so many details that need to be looked into buying a house. If you're looking at something ready-made, then you need to know a lot of items and a lot of things about the property, the electricity, then you have sanitary, you have engineering, the foundation, then you have the location, and of course then you have a kitchen, and then you have the gas and everything and all that. So a lot of stuff involved in that. But if it is already a real property which is existing, say for example if you have it in different cities and stuff, always a good idea to ask for more pictures and stuff and request someone locally to go and see, spend some time there, live there. Like you have these HNI villas and apartments which are available for a lot of people to invest in Delhi and all parts of the world, also in cities like Goa and stuff, because a lot of people are wanting to leave Delhi and take even houses in Goa, or go to the hills and stuff like that. Like I met a real estate guy who's looking to buy something in Leh. So coming from that point of view, very important not just to have the figures, not just the location, not just the dimensions and stuff, also the architectural plans, or to have a recce or a visit happening there, because it's very important to consider all these important elements and aspects, because if you're going to be moving in, you've got to be comfortable. And if you want to have some modifications and stuff done for a ready-made property, it may not be that easy. But if it is already an existing house, like a friend of mine has it in Delhi, she's been contemplating and deciding to have the first floor modified and stuff, then you have to have like the whole plan happening and stuff like that. So it's not a thin shot in the air and stuff. And of course, she's also asked me another question, that what do you think in general about the material and stuff. So that's why I'm saying, it's very important to